Hello and welcome back. Now that we have an understanding of last datasets and how to build them, the next step is to use last datasets to create surfaces. And the first surface that we're going to create is a DTM, a digital terrain model, which is a surface that represents only the ground readings from LiDAR data. So having loaded our data already in our map, it is right here. We click on it and go to properties and go to last filter. And since we are only looking at the ground properties, we uncheck all for the classification codes. Then we check only the ground box, which is represented by code number 2. Click OK. So from the data tab, we are going to look at the manage last data group right here. And we select export. And we export raster. This opens in a geoprocessing pane. And we input our parameters as follows. So of course, our input dataset is the SUSGS file that we had initially. Our output raster, we are going to name it our output raster is going to be called SC_DTM. Then the value field remains elevation. Our interpolation type is triangulation. The method is natural neighbor. Then we set our sampling value as 15. And we leave the rest of the parameters as default. Then we run the tool. So once it's complete, then we'll see our DTM drawing on the contents pane, and we can always go ahead and symbolize this. Click on symbology. And we can choose to leave the primary symbology as is. Then we select the color scheme. So we can show all names in show all so that we get a color that represents elevation. We can go with elevation 10, select that for our symbology, and we are able to update that, and this is our final output. See you next time as we create another surface from our LiDAR dataset.